Next section is homogeneous differential equations. For that, first we will define homogeneous function. A function f of xy is said to be homogeneous function of degree n if f of lambda x lambda y equal to lambda raised to n into f of xy. That is, when we replace x by lambda x, y by lambda y, we can take lambda raised to n outside. Then this f of xy is said to be homogeneous function of degree n. For example, consider f of xy equal to y square plus 2xy. When we replace x by lambda x, y by lambda y, we get lambda y whole square plus 2 into lambda x lambda y. So we can take lambda square outside. So this is a homogeneous function with the degree 2. Lambda square into y square plus 2xy. So degree 2. Now in this case, for this function, when we replace x by lambda x, y by lambda y, from numerator we can take lambda outside, from denominator we can take lambda outside. So we can cancel that lambda. So this is lambda raised to 0 into f of xy. So this is a homogeneous function of degree 0. In this case also, this is also a homogeneous function of degree 0. Now here, when we replace x by lambda x, y by lambda y, from numerator we can take lambda square outside, from denominator also we can take lambda square outside. Then cancelling lambda square, this is of the form lambda raised to 0 into f of xy. So this is a homogeneous function of degree 0. Now homogeneous differential equation. A differential equation of the form dy by dx equal to f of xy is said to be homogeneous if f of xy is a homogeneous function of degree 0. For example, consider x square dy plus y into x plus y dx equal to 0. Now this is of the form dy by dx equal to minus, take this term to this side, minus y into x plus y divided by x square. Now it is of the form dy by dx equal to f of xy, and that f of xy, that is minus y into x plus y divided by x square, is a homogeneous function of degree 0. Now here dy by dx equal to x plus y by x minus y, this is a homogeneous function of degree 0. Here also dy by dx equal to x square minus y square divided by xy. So which is again homogeneous function of degree 0. So these three are homogeneous differential equations. Now we can observe that in this case, here degree of this term is 2, here y into x, so degree, when we take the sum of degrees, it is 2, here y into y square degree is 2. Each term has degree 2, and in this case each term has degree 1. Here again degree, each term has degree 2. Here sum is degree, sum of degrees is 1 plus 1 is 2. So these are homogeneous differential equations, and we convert these equations to the form dy by dx equal to a function of y by x, g of y by x. And to find solution of this type of equations, we have to substitute v equal to y by x. V is equal to y by x. Then this equation becomes a variable separable form. Then integrating both sides, we get the solution. Consider the differential equation 3xy plus y square dx plus x square plus xy dy equal to 0. Take this first term to RHS, it becomes minus 3xy plus y square dx. Now dividing by this term, we get dy by dx equal to minus 3xy plus y square divided by x square plus xy. Now divide all terms by x square, we get 3y by x plus y square by x square divided by x square by x square is 1, xy by x square is x, so y by x. Now this is of the form a function of y by x, that is g of y by x, or this is a function of homogeneous function of degree 0. So we get dy by dx equal to f of xy, where f of xy is a homogeneous function of degree 0, or dy by dx equal to a function of y by x. So this is given equation is a homogeneous differential equation. To solve this equation, put y by x equal to v. So we get y equal to vx. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, dy by dx equal to, apply product rule. First function into derivative of x is 1 plus x into derivative of v is dv by dx. So this equation becomes dy by dx is v plus x dv by dx equal to minus 3v plus v square divided by 1 plus v. Now take this v to RHS, it becomes minus v. Taking minus sign outside, 3v plus v square divided by 1 plus v plus v. Now take denominator 1 plus v. So we get v into 1 plus v. Now here 3v plus v square, v into 1 is v into v is v square. So minus of v square plus v square is 2v square, 3v plus v is 4v divided by 1 plus v. Now take 2 outside, minus 2 v square plus 2v divided by 1 plus v. So we get x dv by dx is equal to minus 2 into v square plus 2v divided by 1 plus v. Now separate the variables. With this dv, take the function of v. Take this x dx to RHS. So we have to write the reciprocal. 1 plus v divided by v square plus 2v dv equal to minus 2 dx divided by x. Now integrating both sides with respect to x, we get integral of 1 plus v divided by v square plus 2v dv. Here integrate with respect to v, to this integrate with respect to x. To integrate this function, put v square plus 2v equal to t. So 2v plus 2 dv equal to derivative of t is dt. So 1 plus v dv equal to dt by 2, dividing by 2. So here this is t, this integral becomes 1 by t dt by 2. 1 by t dt by 2, and RHS is minus 2 integral dx by x. Now integral of 1 by t is log mod t minus, taking this 2 to this side, it becomes minus 4 log x plus log c. Minus 4 log x is log x raised to minus 4. N log a is log a raised to n. So now here log a plus log b is log ab. So log x raised to minus 4 into c. Now taking exponential on both sides, we get modulus of t equal to x raised to minus 4 into c. Now we know that t is equal to v square plus 2v. So substituting t equal to v square plus 2v, we get v square plus 2v equal to c divided by x raised to 4. X raised to minus 4 is 1 by x raised to 4. Now v is y by x, v square y square by x square. Now multiplying throughout by x square, we get y square plus 2xy equal to c by x square. This is the solution of given homogeneous differential equation. This is the solution of homogeneous differential equation. Absolute y square plus 2xy equal to c divided by x raised to 4. Here c is equal to 4. When we give animation to this slider c, we get different members of this family. Now here we have a problem. Solve cos square x dy by dx plus y equal to tan x. Now divide this equation throughout by cos square x. We get dy by dx plus y by cos square x equal to tan x divided by cos square x. Now 1 by cos square x is sec square x. So we get dy by dx plus sec square x y equal to tan x into sec square x. Now this equation is of the form dy by dx plus py equal to q, where p and q are functions of x. Here p is sec square x, q is tan x sec square x. Now to solve this type of linear first order first degree differential equation, first we have to find integrating factor. Integrating factor if equal to e raised to integral p dx, where p is equal to sec square x dx. Integral of sec square x dx is tan x. So solution of linear differential equation is y into integral factor equal to integral of q into integrating factor dx plus c. So y into e raised to integral p dx equal to integral q into e raised to integral p dx plus c. That is y e raised to tan x equal to integral q is tan x sec square x. So tan x sec square x e raised to tan x dx plus c. Now to integrate this function, take tan x equal to t. So we get t sec square x dx is dt. Now this term is e raised to t. Tan x is t, e raised to t. Derivative of tan x is sec square x dx. So this sec square x dx becomes dt. Now so we have integral t e raised to t dt. Now take t as first function, e raised to t as second function. Use I late. To integrate by parts, use I late. Now here t is algebraic function, exponential function. So take t as first function, e raised to t as second function. Integration by parts. First function into integral of second function minus integral of derivative of first, integral of second. So t into e raised to t minus integral of derivative of t is 1, integral of e raised to t is e raised to t. So we get integral e raised to t dt. So t e raised to t minus e raised to t, taking e raised to t outside, e raised to t into t minus 1. So solution is y into e raised to integral e raised to tan x. Using this equation, y e raised to tan x equal to e raised to tan x, e raised to tan x, t is tan x, then tan x minus 1. So e raised to tan x minus 1 plus c. This is the solution of linear differential equation. Linear differential equation is of the form dy by dx plus py equal to q. First find integrating factor if. If is e raised to integral p dx. Then solution of this type of equation is given by y into e raised to integral p dx equal to integral of q e raised to integral p dx plus. Now this is solution of linear differential equation. Y e raised to tan x equal to e raised to tan x into tan x minus 1. When we draw this graph in GeoGebra file and give animation to the c, here we have plus c, constant of integration. When we put different values to this c, we get different curves of this family. Giving animation to the slider, we get different curves of this family of curves.